Oh! Acid! That tasted so bad. Oh, Thanksgiving food coming back up. Check it. What's your secret? I smell like eggnog. Let's have an arm wrestling match. You're never gonna win. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You like, but you were bending like this. Wow! Okay, let's do some more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare some more. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I use this hand to masturbate.
Okay.
What are we doing?
Some more.
Oh. Never mind.
Stop texting Michael.
Oh, I thought we were, anyway.
Shut up! You're so dumb. Okay, go.
Supposed to come out. Okay. Oh, some more. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Blah, 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 go. You can't get your elbow off.
We're supposed to do this.
You can't get your elbow off. Winner.
No, you have to count 4, don't you?
No. You just gotta say winner. Okay, turn it off.
5. I love you. Say bye. I don't think we can see our heads.